gonna change inside you, do you hear? His firmament is mentioned 15 times at least, I know. Is upstairs but coming down for you, yeah. It talks about water above earth, how, yeah, there is plenty water upstairs with him. Just need to be commanded to come down with thunder and rain, and we got another great flood. Oh no, dear, oh 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 no, dear, oh dear, oh dear, 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 oh no, dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, dear. Firmament is a vault and an arch, or even valley running in the middle of the skies where stars twinkled. Firmament is a curve of the sky. Imagine solid surface, imagine firmament shining with the stars. All small ink space still erase the third heaven, and the firmament midst of the water lets us divine the water from the waters. Both blessing have both meanings, positive and negative. Between waters below and waters above in heaven. Some speculate about that too, but the canopy above got a hole inside. And then it pour is water on earth. It's all about the firmament. So all Nephilims went dead from earth. They all drown in deep sea. The cosmology, the firmament. The yellow submarine, now you know what it means. The sun around you, the air you breathe in your firmament. Oh no, oh no. And oh dear, 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 and dear, oh dear, oh dear, dear, dear. This only small narrative of separate the primal sea into the upper and lower portions to make land on this earth. So now we got both lights on earth. One is bright, one not so. It's called moon and sun, bright day, lesser at night. So firmament is set in heaven, is better of there. No, we got both night and day to go to work to earn for your bread. View it as timeless exists in an eternal, no past or present, or any new future. There is no need for starting point here. Oh no. do not stage at its ago. Yeah, it's the latest code. Back time means everything in space is looked as the past that will be billion years ago. With more distant objects are viewed as much older sun. Cause legs from there is very dark, it's barely there at all. It's what you call firmament. So now you know what van de glas. Hoe de tweede zweemt die even zat ver. Yeah. Hodi, hodi,